Jordan Brand continues to build on the legacy of the Air Jordan 1 High OG with more anticipated releases in 2026. Following standout 2025 collaborations with Swarovski, Union X Fragment, and Off-White, the brand shifts focus to general releases, including the upcoming Air Jordan 1 High OG Cool Gray. Scheduled for a spring 2026 launch, the pair is expected to feature a white leather base with cool gray overlays, a black swoosh and collar, and additional accents in game royal and metallic gold. The design nods to the OG Chicago colorway, offering a familiar yet refreshed look. Although current visuals are mock-ups, they provide a close preview of the expected layout. Final materials and design elements may change once official images are revealed. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Cool Gray will be available via Nike.com and select Jordan Brand retailers. Stay tuned for confirmed details in the coming months.